y'all, it's me, Sheldon Strickland from the Supply Chain Automation Workforce Hub team. Now in today's video, we're excited to showcase another talented apprentice from Local 80 in Norfolk, Virginia. She's on her journey to becoming a certified electrician and is currently contracted with the Austin Electric. Everyone, let's give a warm welcome to LaShawn Adams.
My name is LaShawn Adams. I'm a mother. I got a 5-year-old daughter. I'm married. I have a wife. I'm working, going to school right now. And I'm from Norfolk, Virginia. I'm currently in Chesapeake, Virginia. Been here all my life. Want to go other places, which is why my job is great because I get to travel once I get licensed. But that's kind of me in a nutshell. Graduated from college, thought I was going to do something with that. And I'm completely out of my field, but I honestly can't say that I regret, the decisions that I made, because I kind of can use what I went to school for in this also. When I first started, I didn't really know what it was about, but the more I get into it, I enjoy like the learning and the working and everything behind it.
Can you give me your title and of course the occupation that you're in right now?
So currently I'm an apprentice. This is my last year of school. Once I finish my last year of school, I have all my hours to be as a registered as a licensed electrician. So I'm with Local 80. That's the union that I work for. But the company that I'm currently with, because we bounce around with contractors, I'm currently with Austin Electric.
So talk about your experience, from when you first started to how, of course, you're grasping the concepts, you're learning day to day. Talk about the experience, within the school and then also on site.
When I first started, it was a little discouraging. One being like kind of in a male's trade, being a female in there trying to learn, trying not to be too demanding, to come off too strong. But when I first started, I really didn't know anything. I was asking people like, hey, how do you know what 3/4 is? And how will you know what this bolt size is? Or they'll tell me, go get fish tape. And I'm like, I have no idea what I'm looking for. And then just kind of over time, it progressed where I started changing light bulbs in the house, put garage openers up. I started doing stuff and feeling a little bit confident. So I knew that I was gathering from it. And now I'm not going to say I know it all, but I'm comfortable enough that if you ask me something where you would ask me 3 years ago, I wouldn't have known what you wanted from me. Now I know it, and I owe it honestly to school and asking questions. And like I said, just working with peers who really want to kind of see people thrive and learn and actually do the job.
That's the reason why we like sharing these success stories, is because a lot of people don't necessarily know about apprenticeship programs or just in general, being able to go to school, learn, and go on site and actually be able to make money while you learn.
Yeah.
I'm excited for you, LaShawn. I really am. I know your future is bright, 100%. Congratulations, to the wife and family. I love it. I love to hear about it.
Yeah. And one last thing I wanted to say too. The good thing about this, one thing, because you brought up my wife, that she had told me about when I wanted to give up on it. And because I'm tired of going to school. I already did 4 years of college. I don't want to. It's too much. It's just too much for me. And the one thing she said was, with this, when I get my license, can't nobody take that from me. So you can go work for AT&T, and when they're tired of you, AT&T gonna fire you and gonna hire somebody else. And you'll see with your license in any trade, it don't even have to be an electrician. Can't nobody take that from you.
And there we have it. Guys, thank y'all so much for tuning in to another video. And also, we want to give a huge congratulations and a huge shout out to LaShawn Adams. Keep up the great work, and the sky is not the limit. It's only the beginning. Guys, don't forget to engage with us by visiting our website at www.scworkforcehub.com. I'm signing out, and as always, we'll see you in the next one.